The procedure that I had done was a tooth implant, and this was because I lost my front tooth. I was at the swimming pool with my grandchildren, and I bit on the inner tube valve, and my tooth came out as I bit on that valve, which just looked horrible. And all I could think of was I needed to get it fixed the next day, or then I needed it fixed. You're horrified. You just want to leave and go to the dentist. And thank goodness my dentist in Johnson City was right there and got me right in, like within 45 minutes of it happening. He said, I have one of my other patients just lost her front tooth. He said, I would like to see how her tooth turns out before we pick the right person to do your tooth. And David Miranda, my dentist, was very pleased with the results of this girl. And he said, I think you need to go to Dr. Wells. I think he'll do the best job. We had the initial appointments where we decided, yes, we were going to do it. But when I came in to get it done, first he took out the tooth, and then he put in the little implant that he showed me. He was very good about telling me everything he was going to do. And I think it took an hour and a half or two, and I walked out and I had the implant. I was really pleased. And then the next day, he put in the temporary tooth that actually looked really nice, and it all was in like 2 days. Going from no tooth to a tooth that I wasn't worried about it coming unglued. I was just so grateful that they had come in and so quickly gotten all of this done. And it was done so efficiently and quickly, and I would just recommend them to anybody. I got my smile back.